thing's been fighting.
Yeah, it's really fighting.
It is. You put on the right bait. Finally.
He's getting tired. He'll fight him until
I don't know. It's fighting a little bit more wicked. We got another fish down here. We just got here. I don't know. It's a pretty nice one, but the only one that matters is the one that's on. Let's get this one done.
That means it'll taste extra good.
Oh, he's a long ways out yet.
Do you need help or you got it? You got it. You can land it.
It's our first king of the year here. When we were motoring out this morning, there was ice on the lake. A thin layer of ice.
You got it, Sarah.
And now we got a king salmon on here. I told these people all we were going to catch a brown trout. I'm sorry I lied. It won't be the last lie I tell you out here. So, keep on reeling. How's the drag there, Colin, on this? Slipping it? Alright.
You got him.
He's angry.
You got him. There you go.
Salmon.
Keep bringing him in. You got him. Hang in there. He's almost there.
Just switch spots with me?
Yep.
Push over in the side here.
There you go.
Hardest fighting fish. You're going to catch out here. Right here.
Oh my god, he's angry.
Put on your favorite turn. Yeah.
He's gonna be tasty.
You got him. You got him.
Yes.
Got him.
First king of the year.
Holy
I can't believe it.
Oh my god.
Oh,
I can get a picture with that guy.
you will. Congratulations.